See how much it rolls in?
Yeah.
This one's out of a truck. And they didn't have to deal with that back door deal. What I would recommend is take this piece off. Take all that crap off, all of it.
Just go right to that.
And then make a flange that goes to there with a 90 in it or whatever you need to turn it this way to get it to fit that pipe you got and go 4-inch on everything.
Instead of this?
Well, yeah. Because the turbo's 4-inch. There's no sense not making it all 4-inch.
Easier on everything.
Well, just makes better sense. And then when you get done with this, you'll have a pattern. And if you use all the old bus stuff, it's great. If we can use something like this, it's a good deal too. But this is that's a one-off deal. It's so hard to find it. I can't think of a GMC that had a turbo 6 in it ever. The only other place that may have came out of is something that was laying on its side.